Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to turn on autoplay videos and GIFs on the X app, also known as Twitter, right from your PC. This walkthrough is based on the latest update, so you can follow along without missing a beat. Let's dive straight in. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account before we start. Once you're on the main home screen, take a look at the left side panel. You'll see a menu there with several options. Next, click on the option labeled More. This will open a small list of additional settings to explore. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage everything related to your account preferences, security, and display features. When the settings page opens, move your cursor to Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Click it, and then choose the accessibility option from the list that appears. This section contains all features that help customize how your feed looks and behaves on your device. Now that you're in the accessibility settings, look for the category called Autoplay. Click on it, and you'll see a few choices for how videos and GIFs play while you're scrolling through your timeline. Here's the key step. Select On Cellular or Wi-Fi. This setting makes sure that videos and GIFs start automatically when you're connected to the internet, whether it's through your mobile data or Wi-Fi. It keeps your feed lively and makes browsing smoother, with media playing as soon as you scroll past it. That's it. Your autoplay feature is now turned on. You'll notice videos and GIFs playing right away as you move through your timeline, without needing to press play each time. This small tweak makes the X experience much more dynamic and engaging, perfect for staying updated with the latest clips, moments, and memes. Thanks for watching.